This is how to clone any website in 3 minutes. So for this video, we'll be using this Coinbase support desk.io. So this is the website we'll be cloning, and we'll be uploading the website on this Coinbase helpdeskbase.com. So there are two different sites. This is where we upload it, and this is the website we are cloning. So to clone the website, I will leave the link in the description below. It's called indexonline.clone. So when you go to the website, it will direct you to this Telegram channel. Click on start. As you can see, send the website link for copying. So copy the website that you want to clone, enter. So you can select specific settings if you want to set it, or you can just go back and copy the website. Click on copy the website. You can see processing your request. Download is ready. It's not even up to 1 minute. So that gives you the file. So all we need to do is download the zip file of our clone site. So click on download. As you can see, we are downloading it. So it is downloaded. So the next step is to upload it to our cPanel or direct admin. So locate the domain that you want to upload it. Click on upload and upload the zip file that we got in from that Telegram bot. So you see we are uploading it. So upload successful. So the next step is to extract the zip file. Okay, extract successful. So let's refresh the website. Voila, you can see we just cloned that Coinbase help desk. So that's an easy way to clone any website. As you can see, this is the website we clone, and this is the website we uploaded it to. So let's try and clone another website. So let's now clone my own website, richboytech.com. So this is the WordPress site. So let's clone it. I'll copy the link, paste it on the Telegram bot, copy the website, process your request. Okay, download is ready. So let's download the zip file. So let's download the zip file. So for this tutorial, let me create a new folder for it. Clone Rich Boy Tech. So this is where I will upload the script to. Click on OK, download. So click on upload and upload the zip file we just cloned. Okay, just like what we do on the Coinbase support wallet, we are still going to upload and extract it. Okay, uploaded. So the next step is to extract. Done. So let's go to the website to see if we have the website here. So go to the folder clone rich boy tech, enter. Network is kind of slow. Okay, yeah, you can see we just clone our website. So it work with any website. If you want to clone any website, you can just go to the website homepage, copy the URL, go back to the bot and paste it to download the website script. So this is the website we just clone, Rich Boy Tech, and this is the clone version. You can see everything is the same thing. Both picture, link, everything has been moved to the clone website. So I will leave the website in the description below. I'll leave the website in the description below. So if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.